An iconic classical-style home, elegantly revitalized. This is the Brownstone House by Studio Arthur Casas, located right in the heart of New York City. This residence is part of the quintessential brownstone row houses that define many of New York's urban neighborhoods. These homes are recognized by their vertical form, tightly lined facades, and reddish-brown stone finishes that convey both strength and elegance. Rich in historical value, this project is not merely a renovation, it's a thoughtful effort to blend traditional character with the complex demands of modern living. With a total area of around 575 square meters spread across 6 floors, the home presented a unique challenge, a narrow plot with natural light available only from the front and rear facades. Studio Arthur Casas responded with a design strategy that is both clever and deliberate, carefully considering spatial distribution, daylighting, material selection, and color palette. The ground floor houses the main functional areas, including the kitchen, workspace, and a rear garden, all designed to flow seamlessly together. The kitchen takes center stage with an unconventional appearance. Black cabinetry and countertops dominate, a bold departure from the typically light palettes used by the studio. Despite the darker tone, the atmosphere remains balanced thanks to white panels and warm wooden elements that introduce softness and comfort. On the second floor lies the home's social heart, featuring a bar, dining room, and living area. To preserve the historical integrity of the original facade, the front exterior was left untouched. Instead, the architects recessed the rear portion of the floor to create extra space and insert large windows. This not only enhances visual connection between the first and second floors, but also floods the interior with natural light, making the space feel brighter and more open. The next 3 levels are dedicated to the family's private areas, including the master bedroom, children's rooms, a TV room, private gym, and even an outdoor lounge with an open fireplace. Each space is designed for comfort and privacy, yet remains visually and functionally connected. The interior design revolves around a neutral and earthy palette. Oak flooring brings warmth and a natural feel, while limestone and fabric materials in muted tones create a serene and grounded ambience. These choices also pay homage to the homeowner's Middle Eastern roots. The furniture follows a minimalist approach, clean, orderly, and free from excessive ornamentation. Several custom pieces were designed by Arthur Casas himself, adding a personal and distinctive touch. Yet perhaps the most unexpected feature lies in the basement, a gracefully concealed indoor swimming pool. Natural light filters in through a skylight, casting a dramatic effect that transforms the space into something akin to a subterranean meditation room. This area also includes a storage room and technical facilities, demonstrating how every inch of the house has been maximized for function. One of the most captivating design elements is the use of hidden lighting, such as cove lighting and linear recessed fixtures, that not only illuminate the space effectively but also highlight architectural features like wooden benches and custom furniture details. This approach is applied consistently throughout the house, reinforcing a sense of cohesion and tranquility. Brownstone House stands as a perfect example of how architecture can bridge the past and the present. By combining historical authenticity, spatial efficiency, modern technology, and the personal identity of its inhabitants, this home offers a living experience that is not only comfortable but also rich in meaning and beauty.